Okay, let's go ahead and reconcile March. First, we have our credit card. Okay, make sure you select the correct one. Ending balance. Okay, ending date. Alright, do we have finance charges? Oh no, we didn't have any finance charges in March. Okay, that's great. Okay, so we have some of our transactions here. Okay, so here it is. So far, so good. Alright, can we get a 0? And we're at 0. Awesome. Alright, so we're going to finish up with reconciliation. Okay, let's go ahead and print the reconciliation report. Okay, so here it is. Let's double check everything. Balance matches. Good. Transactions. Alright, payments and credits right here. Transactions right here. All good. You would go ahead and print it and attach it to this statement. Okay, next we will reconcile our bank statement. Okay. Alright, ending balance. Okay, ending date. Alright, do we have any charges? Yeah, we have $25 bank charge, so let's go ahead and book it. Alright, so right here we will book a transaction. So what's going on? Well, expenses, right? Bank service charges going up, has to be debited. What else is happening? Well, our bank account balance will be reduced because they'll take 25 bucks out to pay for those charges, right? So this account right here is credited by $25, and this account right here is debited by this $25. And again, even though we're entering it once, it is both a debit and a credit. Okay, let's get ahead and start with our reconciliation. Okay, $25 right here is marked off. Okay, our checks are right here. And our credit card payment right here. Alright, so we're still not in balance, right? We still don't have the 0 right here, but we will. What's happening? Well, we got to book our deposits, right? All of these deposits are sales, we know that. So technically we could go ahead and book them as a lump sum just to save time since we're in a catch-up mode. So here it is. When we're booking lump sum, book at the end of the month. And we know that all of these deposits are sales, so we can lump sum it. All right. And conveniently see deposits and other credits are summed up right here, so we can just enter that sum right here. Here it is, right? Okay. Good. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's going on. Well, we know that our bank account balance will go up, right? Bank account is an asset. Assets go up when debited. So here it is. What else is happening? Our sales are going up, right? Because all of this money is coming from sales, and sales revenue increase when they're credited. Okay, debits and credits are in balance. Saving you. Okay, so this one is good. Here it is, right? Let's go ahead and mark that one. Again, we're still in our reconciliation. What else we have? Well, we have draws, which again, we could book in one transaction, and then we have merchant account fees. So let's go ahead and, again, let's just book them all together. Again, we could potentially book them using, for example, our expense interface. Why not? We know that, it's convenient. For payee, well, yeah, we would have to use two separate ones. Although, let's do this one. We could use it right through our journal entries, and then we would get everything. So, end of the month when we're lump summing it, okay? So let's do it withdraw and debits. Okay. And what do we have first? Well, our bank account balance, we know that much, will be reduced, right? So let's go ahead and do that. It is reduced when it is credited. So what do we have there? We have 2,000. Let's go, oh, it doesn't let us do it like on the other one. So let's just enter them one at a time. This way we don't have to, we'll let QuickBooks do the math. Okay. All right. So here it is, and don't forget the merchant account fee charge. That's the amount of money bank charges us to process payments from our customers that use credit cards. Okay, so these are all the reductions, right, to our bank account. So here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay, well, now we have to do the offsetting entries, right? So first of all, the draw. So this money right here, 2,300, 2,000, we took out of the business. So it reduces our equity. So we know that it will add up. It's pretty simple math, 4,300, right? What else is happening? Well, we also have merchant account fees. And here it is, right? It has to bring it to balance, right? Debits and credits have to equal to each other. And they do, right? So let's go ahead and book that. Just double check everything. Right here we can put description. This is draw. This is draw. This is draw. This is merchant. Okay. This is draw. This is, that's merchant account fee. All right. So in one transaction, we're lump summing and booking everything, the draws and the merchant account fee. And we don't need to cover debits and credits here just simply because they're right here. You have your debits, you have your credits, right? The account 11,100 is being credited by $4,562.43 in a combination of these credits, right? And account 3,700 is being debited $4,300, so it reduces the equity. And account 61,500 is being debited by $262.43. It increases expense, right? What's mostly important, this combination could be, we could have any combination we want. What's important is that debits and credits equal to each other, and in this case they do. So let's go ahead, save and new. Get out of this one and finish up our reconciliation. So see, all these transactions, they're showing up right here because we entered them individually, right? So let's go ahead and check them off. All right. And we're at zero, right? So again, there's multiple ways to enter data. What's important is that we're entering it with confidence and we know what we're debiting, what we're crediting, and therefore we know the impact on each account that we're debiting and crediting. So let's go ahead and finish it up. We can actually view reconciliation report here too, or again, if it doesn't prompt us as aggressively as desktop, but we could click right here. So here it is, balance equals, right? Let's take a look at transactions. Deposits right here, because we lump sum it,
they equal. All right. And then the charges are right here. We have those a little bit better detailed right here, right? So here they are. Everything adds up. All right. And $25 right here, and we're good to go. So that concludes reconciliation of March.